Why use CSS? Why not just enter the text with the information that we need? For example, why can't I just type in the text with my information? I am Kevin. I live in Clarksville, Tennessee. I have a bachelor's degree in business with an area in marketing. I have been employed as a retail district manager for the last 20 years. I am 10 classes away from another bachelor's degree, this time in multimedia design with a specialty in web design. In my spare time, I love to play guitar. Why wouldn't that be enough? It's not enough because your portfolio is competing with thousands of other portfolios online. So obviously you need to stand out. Let's take a look at this example. Does it stand out? What do you notice about the first page? Well, I notice I like to make web and print look awesome. It stands out his use of colors. He also has shadows for the text that make it stand out against the light background. And then at the bottom, who is this guy stands out, so it kind of sparks your interest. Then it shows check my work. He has some examples to click on his actual work. Again, this is actually all one long page online. I had to separate it for the slide. So the second page, more of the same, using colors, shadows, large bold text, different sizes of text. I guess maybe one of the biggest things I notice about the page is there's plenty of blank space. Lots of blank space that makes the text stand out better, and especially the larger text and the different color text on the light background. So don't be afraid of blank space. On this slide, I show you some examples of how we can make our text stand out with some CSS tips, as far as if you'll look on the left under H1 in the CSS, actually I have text shadow of 2 pixels by 2 pixels with a blue shadow. The color is actually a light blue. It's down in the code, and you can see that the dark blue makes it stand out against the white background. So in H2, the next one, I have gray text with the black shadow. We've actually increased the font size using CSS also, and we have used the element of font variant. And for font variant, we have plugged in small caps, so you can tell by looking at the H2 heading up there, it is in small caps. Under H3, we again have increased the font size up to 6M, and the font weight is bold. Also, what we're doing here is we have adjusted the text shadow to make it look like an outline. So it basically looks like a stroke around the text, which definitely helps to set it off from the background, especially where you have a light background and a dark stroke. But you could do just the opposite. A light stroke on a dark background could make it show up too. And then for the paragraph tag, we have used decreased the font size to 1.5M, but we have used letter spacing at 1.1M to spread the letters out a little bit, and probably a little more than you would want to use in an actual work, but I just wanted to show you here in this example how letter spacing works. So back to the original about me information. I am Kevin. Here it is with the typewriter font. just on a white background, basically just the text. So with some CSS tricks and adding some images and color, we can get something like this. And again, I am Kevin. I have a bachelor's degree in business with an area in marketing, and I am working toward a multimedia design degree with especially in web design. In my spare time, I love to play guitar, especially on the beach, as you can see here. I'd like to wish everyone good luck in this class, and thank you very much.